Hello, today I will be making Ash Reshteh or noodle and bean soup. Ingredients: 250 grams of Reshteh or Ash noodles, which you can get from Middle Eastern or Persian grocery stores. A bunch of each spinach and herbs, including parsley, dill, and cilantro. 1 small packet of fresh or dried chives. 1 cup of dried chickpeas or 1 can chickpeas. Half a cup pinto beans or 1 can pinto beans. 1/3 of a cup lentils. 1 onion. Oil, salt, pepper, turmeric. 2 tablespoons wheat flour. If you can have dairy products, 4 tablespoons of kashk curd or Iranian sauce, which you can get from Middle Eastern or Persian grocery stores. To garnish, you can use some fried onion and 2 tablespoons of fried mint. You can dry the mint yourself or use some pure peppermint herbal tea. Wash the chickpeas and beans. If you will use dried chickpeas and pinto beans, soak them for a few hours. Chop an onion and fry with 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add chickpeas and pinto beans and lentils. Add 4 glasses of water for dried beans. Cook in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes, on the stove for 2 hours. For canned beans, cook on the stove for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, pick the parsley and dill leaves and discard the stems. Chop the spinach and herbs. And add them into the cooked beans. Add the 4 glasses of water and let it cook for half an hour. Saute 2 tablespoons of flour with 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 glass of water. Pour into the ash and cook for 15 minutes and stir frequently. Pour the reshteh or noodles into the ash and let it cook on low for 10 minutes. Stir the ash regularly so that the noodles do not stick together. Then remove the ash from the heat. If you use Iranian curd or kashk sauce, mix 4 tablespoons of it with a 1/4 cup of water and simmer on low heat for 20 minutes and mix with ash. To prepare fried onions, slice 1 onion evenly. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and fry. After the onion is golden, stir it regularly. Turn down the heat and continue to stir until it turns light brown in color and remove from the heat immediately. To make fried dried mint, powder the dried mint and heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Pour the mint in and immediately remove it from the heat. Nusha John, enjoy!